Hi, welcome. Welcome into my channel. This channel is about astronomy against the current view of the astronomy. In this video, I want to comment a picture from Webb Space Telescope. It's a new channel, but I discovered Big Bang is false and the stars are cold and small. So for this, I want to comment the last few pictures, the 3 pictures in 2 weeks of Webb Space Telescope. So, but you see that I started with an image from Vietnam. If you live on this earth, so I'm telling like a tea science. I always have here a tea, and this is like a pretext for a science. I'm saying like a tea science. This is a green tea with cherry. So if you lived the last years on earth, you saw these cameras, okay, that you can fly them, okay, this drone. And what they do not understand, even the web guys, I started with this image from Vietnam. The image diminishes with distance. The image diminishes with distance. So the image diminishes with distance. So it is from a YouTube channel from Vietnam, A Peaceful Life, like this YouTube channel. And now the Webb Space Telescope pictures. They film Saturn. So the Webb is, if you know, after moon in orbit. Okay, so it is oriented towards the stars and has a shield, and basically is a mirror. This is a mirror. Okay, it's a silver mirror, gold mirror. And what I told you, the image diminishes with distance. So the stars could not be far. You understand that these lights were invented when they do not have telescopes in space. And now how in the Isaiah the prophet says they have eyes and do not see, because the eyes see conceptual with concepts. So if you are already prepare yourself to see in the image stars that are like 2 billion years light years, 3,000 light years and stuff like this, you will see what your concepts tell to your eyes to see. So but now a little bit of a rearrangement, a refreshing of your eyes and your mind, like you refresh the computer, okay, or you restart your computer. You understand the simple fact. If you live on this earth, that's why I've told you like a joke on last years, you saw this drone that are filming. You pull the drone from the earth gets smaller. So in the similar manner, Webb, it's a mirror, okay? You cannot put in a mirror only one day with the speed of light. Light diminishes with distance. Look, it is going to be small. So because the Webb is a mirror with a lens camera, okay? So if they were prepared to lie, they do not understand the simple fact from this, let's say, mountain peasants, or it's not a bad name, okay, like from Vietnam, they do not understand even this simple fact. So now they film with the same telescope Saturn. And you see Saturn, you barely see what is. You see a round ball with rings, known rings of Saturn, and few small points there are some satellites of Saturn. So from the same principle, So you have the same camera, web camera and a mirror, and the same web camera film this now is the pictures nowadays. Saturn picture, and few days back they filmed the Orion Nebula. So you film Saturn with the same camera, with the same drone, let's say. A drone that it is beyond Earth. This is a peasant drone. They filmed the rice fields in Vietnam. But this is a drone that flew above the moon, beyond the moon, okay? So they are filming the Saturn, and with the same drone they are filming the Orion. And they are saying that there a few hours Saturn distance, the speed of light, and this Orion Nebula, they are saying 3,000 light years. So I'm telling you now that you rearrange your mind, knowing that light diminishes with distance, and Webb is a simple mirror. This is a mirror, a framed mirror, and you capture the light in it, you transmit it in a camera, and you multiply them. This is Webb, only that instead of is gold. So so with the same camera you see Saturn and you see Orion Nebula, you understand light diminishes with distance. You cannot put in a mirror only one day with the speed of light. So these stars from Orion Nebula, they are putting clouds and they are close. I'm telling you, only one day with the speed of light we can put in a drone, a stupid drone, okay? So if you understand this, you can understand that they are more stupid than the peasants. This in by maintaining the stupid science from back ages ago, that what they invented in Doppler time, 1850s, that red becomes blue, and blue that light it is. So if you understand that they are seeing conceptual. So in Orion Nebula you can see stars, and Giordano Bruno invented as the stars are like our sun, and they are identifying the stars with the sun. They are believing that the stars produce flames, because you can see with some filter the sun. So in this Orion Nebula I am telling you that if the sun will eject that clouds, and this in Orion Nebula you understand as the stars are close, cold and small. Because if you see Saturn, if you understood this rational reasoning stuff, you understand the level of the NASA guys. And I'm not joking, or okay. I discovered so that the Big Bang is false. We live in a sphere. Our galaxy is only a sphere, and it's surrounded by clouds. And what they are saying, galaxies are stars. Everything, it is a star pouring cloud, not a spherical ones. That galaxies are simply stars like clouds, and they are small, and we cannot see beyond. We cannot see what in this current day the universe. They are saying universe. We can see only inside our galaxy. So this is my second video. Listen, this channel will grow. I discovered the Big Bang is false, and I cannot obtain myself. I will filming myself from like a side, like this, and now I'm filming myself straight. Hope like I will make another series from here from my table, and I redo what I did. Not what were bad, but I was not filming myself like this. So this is, I don't have any other intention. If you understand, I present to you like in an easy manner the science, and it is this easy and simple, but they do not understand about this. So if you see a man from a mountain like this, your eyes seeing the stars has not power to see billion years. So if you understand a simple argument, like, share, and subscribe. I'm saying like a tea science. I have a green tea, a cold green tea, like the stars with cherries. Okay, goodbye.